Sorry if this video is a little bit wiggly. I am painting and holding the camera at the same time. So when you're painting assembly line style, that means you're practicing a design, but you're not just painting part of it once. You're painting each portion multiple times. So for example, I would just slide this plastic over. I would go on to the painting and I would practice that shape again. Move the plastic over. Practice the shape again, and just keep doing this multiple times over and over so that I build muscle memory. And get into the habit of making the shape right as I build the muscle memory. So just moving the plastic around and getting really used to making that shape many times. This also means that by the time I'm done painting, 9 of these shapes, this one's gonna be a lot drier. So if I need to put products on top of it to take a photograph, it will be drier. Or if I need to put more paint on top, it'll be a lot easier to paint on. So that's what painting assembly line style means.